In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple currencies to your Shopify store. Offering multiple currencies helps international customers shop more comfortably by allowing them to view prices in their local currency. So, let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Next, click on Markets. This section allows you to manage different countries and regions where you sell your products. Inside the Markets section, select the international market or any market you want to configure for multiple currencies. Now, click on Products and Pricing. This is where Shopify controls how pricing is displayed for customers in different countries. Before continuing, make sure Shopify Payments is activated on your store because multiple currency support works through Shopify Payments. Once Shopify Payments is enabled, look for the option that says Show Prices to Customers in their local currency. Turn this option on by checking the box or enabling the toggle switch. After enabling it, Shopify will automatically detect your customer's location and display product prices in their local currency whenever possible. Finally, click Save to apply the changes to your store. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple currency support to your Shopify store, creating a smoother shopping experience for international customers. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.